Hey everybody, welcome back or welcome to my channel. My name is Cheryl, the activity author, and I am here to bring you another book-inspired craft video. And in case you new and you don't know me, hey, I'm Cheryl. I'm an author and I create easy kids crafts out of household items that are usually inspired by books by self-published authors. So check out my many videos here on this channel and I am sure you are going to love your stay. Now you guys are just going to love this video because we have another book by the terrific Tiffany Obeng. Y'all remember her, right? Of course you do, because this is our 5th time crafting one of Tiffany's books. She's starting to be in a race with our girl Lacey now, isn't she? Yeah, because you know my OG subscribers, y'all know that I've done 4 of Lacey's books and now this is Tiffany's 5th book. So yeah, oh, and guys, if y'all haven't seen any of Lacey's crafting videos, definitely go check those out after this video. That's some good stuff I put in those videos for y'all. All right, but guys, today's book from Miss Tiffany Obeng is called Andrew Learns About Lawyers. So guys, if you're looking for a children's book about lawyers, well, look no further, okay? Andrew Learns About Lawyers shows how special and important being a lawyer is, which makes a perfect book to teach kids age 4 through 8 about lawyers and different types of lawyers at that. So guys, stick around after the craft and I'll show you guys more about this book and why you need to add it to your child's library today, okay? All right, so like I always say, let's get crafty. So because trials and court cases, they tend to be very patriotic, right, by the law and law-abiding citizens. And then if you look at a courtroom, there's always going to be a flag representing whatever state or country the court case is in, right? So I figured let's show you guys how to make a very easy patriotic flag. And if you guys want more options, I have a whole 4th of July video that is very popular here on YouTube, and you guys should check it out because I think I have 8 ways to make different patriotic flags. So click the card up top. Definitely check this video out after this video, of course, if you want to know more ways to make patriotic flags and such. So now after you finish that craft, you can do this craft activity where your kid could actually get practice in a courtroom. Yes, we're going to make a podium and a mic. So you're going to need a pasta box or cereal box, whatever you guys have on hand. And you're going to paint that brown like you see us doing here. I let it dry and it did not take a long time to dry, believe it or not. I think literally 10-15 minutes it was pretty dry. And I decided to do another coat of paint just because I wanted to have that solid brown. So you guys can choose to do 1 coat or you guys could just do 2. It's up to you guys. But after you paint it brown, then you're going to grab your straw. I grabbed a pom-pom ball because I thought that's what I wanted to make the mic out of, but you're going to see a little later in this video I changed my mind. So I'm going to dip the straw in the brown paint because I want it to be brown. I want it to match the podium. And then after it dried, I grabbed some masking tape. We designed our little front of our podium. How cute, right? You guys can use whatever you want, markers, Sharpies. And then you're just going to poke a hole in the top as if this was a juice box. Go ahead and poke that hole in the top and make it kind of snug. I'm trying to make the hole as small as possible because I don't want a loose hole because I want this mic stand to be adjustable, you know, and you'll see why later. So go ahead and I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. It was too small, of course. So now I got it just right. I'm going to push this straw all the way through and it's almost done. See, perfect fit, nice and snug. That's how I want it. And look at the bendable neck. I love that about this. So then all you would need is some aluminum foil. And I'm actually going to use this tape ball and I'm going to hot glue it on this straw. And then after I hot glue it on the straw, I'm going to cover it with aluminum foil. And that is it for this craft. Easy, right? And here is the final product. I love how this turned out. As y'all noticed, we only painted 3 of these sides. We did not paint the back because that was like not even necessary. You're not gonna see the back unless y'all really want to paint the back. Go paint the back. And I love putting this palm tree plant next to it. Doesn't it give it like a little Miami Vice kind of look? All right, so we're trying to figure out how we want to paint our scene because we're gonna do the mock trial activity. Check this out, guys. So I'm gonna show you guys 2 ways you can do this. You can do it with toys or dolls, or you can actually have your kids actually play the characters in the court case. Of course, you're gonna need a lawyer, you're gonna need a plaintiff, whoever, bailiff, judge, add everybody up in this thing, okay? So this is the case of Tiffany Morris versus the people. Check this out.
Your Honor, my client is innocent because she was not there on June 23rd, 2018 of the night of the accident. How do you plea? How do you plea?
Not guilty.
Your Honor, can we request a recess? Thank you, Your Honor. Let's go.
Your Honor, can I have a speedy trial, please? Your Honor, I request a speedy trial.
Okay, my client requests a speedy trial.
All rise for the Honorable Cheryl Smiley Oliphant.
All right, guys, this is the case of Malia Oliphant versus the people. Case of the missing bike. How does your client plea?
Well, some entries and so my client is innocent for the innocent bike who took it.
Who took the bike?
Is the ghost.
The ghost? Do you have any evidence?
The bad guy took the bike.
Okay, well, do you have a witness? You want to call a witness up to stand? It is a mystery. You want to call a witness up to the stand?
My first witness is called Malia.
Oh, your witness is running away. Oh my goodness. Okay, hi Malia, welcome to court. Here, do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? Say yes.
Yes.
Okay, so what did you see on the night of June 21st, 1983?
1983.
Oh, okay. What did you see? Did you see a bicycle?
Bicycle.
And did you see who took the bicycle?
Yeah. Took the bicycle.
Who took the bicycle, Malia?
I play soccer.
Okay, all right. Thank you for your witness.
Who actually took the bike is the bad guy.
The bad guy? And do you know who this bad guy is?
Deanne Peterson.
Oh, is that his name? Okay, are you sure? Okay, well, I guess this case is closed. Thank you, Lawyer Kimmy, for your witness and your statements. Court is now in session. Court is now adjourned.
Ashton.
All rise. All rise.
Okay, go ahead, Daddy.
All rise for the Honorable Cheryl Smiley. Court is now in
My name is Cheryl Smiley Oliphant. Get my name right.
It's Malia.
Hi, Malia. Welcome to court. All right, now let's start our case. All right, lawyer, is your lawyer here? Is your lawyer present?
All rise. The Honorable Cheryl Smiley is now in.
Kim, don't move at the podium.
All rise.
Dad, you say all rise. Court is now in session.
All rise. Court is now in session. The Honorable Cheryl Smiley is in procession.
Oliphant?
The Honorable Cheryl Smiley
Oliphant. All right, y'all, we gotta do that again. It's Take Your Kid to Work Day, and Andrew is beyond excited to work with his mama until he realizes that he does not know what his mama does for work. I am a lawyer, or what some people would call an attorney. That's what his mama said. And it opened up a wonderful world of lawyers for our boy Andrew. Now, did you guys know that Andrew Learns About Lawyers is the third book in the Andrew Career Day book series? And it is a great book and beginner career resource to introduce young children to the career of a lawyer. This book has phonetic assistance and an easy reader glossary and diverse, inclusive images, and even has images of our legal pioneers such as Ruth Bader Ginsburg or Thurgood Marshall. So yeah, you'll see some familiar faces, parents. Your child will begin thinking of a possible career as a lawyer and be in awe of the life of a lawyer. And I know everybody out there, we all got that one family member that's a lawyer, right? But nobody knows what they really do, right? So that's why this book comes in handy, y'all. All right, so like I said earlier on in the video, this is the third Andrew Career Day book that we've covered here on this channel. And this series is a great way to promote learning and the awareness of the featured professions by engaging both children and adults with simple, complex words and beautiful illustrations, guys. So if you didn't see my previous craft videos on Andrew Learns About Scientists and Andrew Learns About Engineers, I think you should definitely check them out. I've linked them down below. So go ahead and check them out after this video so you guys can get caught up, okay? According to Google, this is still a very popular book about lawyers. It's been used by various mommy lawyers to present at their child's career day. And did you know that Jack and Jill Regional Chapter still sponsors this book? They even gave out copies to their attendees at their inaugural mock trial event last time. And lastly, this book comes with a free coloring page on Tiffany's website, and it even has a companion activity kit coming soon on Sugar Cookie Books Teacher Pay Teachers store. Before we go, I want to quickly remind you who Tiffany Obeng is. Now, we know that she's a children's book author, but did you know she is the owner of Sugar Cookie Books and Publishing Imprint? As a female of color raising children of color, she writes her books to feature African American main characters. Her books are educational and named after and inspired by her son. And they focus on various careers and inspires kids to be anything they want to be. So guys, make sure y'all drop down in the description box to engage with Tiffany as she continues her author journey and publishing journey, by the way, because guys, she currently has 18 books and I don't see her stopping anytime soon. Also, links to purchase books are in the description box below. And definitely follow Miss Tiffany on her social medias and everything that she has to offer. This lady is killing it, y'all. I'm telling you, she got events every week, it seems like. And she's always got something new coming up out of her sleeve. So definitely she is a person to know or a person to get to know, okay? All right, guys. So I want to thank you so much for watching this video all the way to the end. Please don't forget to like this video now. You don't watch it all the way to the end, so like this video. And when you guys make this craft, be sure to take pictures and tag me on Instagram so I can celebrate you and your child's hard work. Also, lastly, guys, share this video with a parent, teacher, babysitter, friend, pastor, anybody you know that loves creating with kids. And don't leave just yet, guys. I have over 200 videos on this channel that you guys can continue to watch and keep the party going. So go ahead and click on one of these two videos and I'll see you in that video, okay? Bye, guys.